Flip the unit over and unscrew 11 captive screws. Flip the unit back over, open it up, and gently insert the opener pick between the palmrest and the bottom cover. Slide along the edges to pop the palmrest free. Push back the locking clip and pull up to unplug the battery from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the touchpad cable from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the palmrest cable from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the touchpad cable from the touchpad. Peel off the rubber covering and remove 3 2mm screws from the touchpad. You may have to peel back the tape to get to one of the screws. Lift the palmrest partway up and slide the touchpad free. Slide the touchpad back into place. And replace the 3 2mm screws. Replace the rubber covering. And plug the touchpad cable back into the touchpad. Plug the palmrest cable back into the motherboard. Plug the touchpad cable back into the motherboard. And plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the palmrest and push down to snap it back into place. Flip the unit back over and tighten the 11 captive screws.